हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ ईशानी फ्रॉम पीयू पल्स। तो आज हम आए पीएमएल एसजी बिजनेस स्कूल। तो जो जब एसजी कॉलेज को 4.5 डिकेड हुए थे तब इस स्कूल को एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था। यहाँ के फाउंडर उपकार कृष्ण शर्मा जी का एक विज़न था चंडीगढ़ में एक बी स्कूल खोलने का, जो कि है यहाँ पर। पीएमएल एसजी बिजनेस स्कूल एंटर करते ही आपको सबसे पहले यहाँ की रिसेप्शन देखने के लिए मिलेगी। जैसे कि यहाँ पर 2 इयर्स फुल टाइम पीजीडीएम कोर्स है, जिसके अंदर 6 स्पेशलिस्ट हैं। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, फिनांस, एचआर मैनेजमेंट, इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, मार्केटिंग, ऑपरेशन एंड स्पोर्ट्स टीम मैनेजमेंट। ये स्पेशल 6 कोर्स हैं जो पीजीडीएम के अंडर है। ये यहाँ का बोर्ड रूम है। यहाँ पर जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे स्टाफ मेंबर्स की मीटिंग्स वगैरह होती है। यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स अपनी प्रेजेंटेशंस वगैरह देते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ का बोर्ड रूम है। बोर्ड रूम देखने के बाद हम यहाँ का कंप्यूटर लैब देखेंगे। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ का कंप्यूटर लैब है। Let's talk to Dr. Gurjeet Kaur. She is chair placement. So, ma'am, you can tell about the placement and the industry which you have done here.
Okay, so my name is Dr. Gurjeet. I take care of placements and trainings for the students of PGDM at PMLSD Business School. So at our business school, every placement decision, it always begins with one thing, that what actually we are giving in the market, what recruiters are looking for, and how we can benefit the students in the long run in terms of what role they are going to play in the corporates. So from last 2 to 3 years we have seen different kind of market, wherein e-commerce, automobile, hospitality, market, automations, AI, every kind of industry is giving us opportunity and our students are successfully working. So yes, I can give you few names with whom PMLSD Business School is associated. Our students are already working in Trident, Oswald Group, HDFC, Divisa, Zomato, and Holiday Inn, and much more like that. Secondly, if we talk about the summer internship program, so students are going into the industry to gain skill-based knowledge, besides theoretical concepts also that we are already covering in the college, right? So that is all we are focusing on, and except industry-oriented courses, skill-based courses, the vocational trainings that we are giving, the hands-on experience that our students are having, the certifications they are doing. Beyond that, we are also focusing on entrepreneurships. So students are not only job seekers, they are job providers also. So we have a dedicated team and a cell which is called entrepreneurship cell in our PMLSD Business School.
This is seminar hall of B school. You can see the seminar hall from inside. ये यहाँ की क्लासरूम्स हैं। जैसे कि हम देखेंगे इसको अब अंदर से। आप देख सकते हो यहाँ की क्लासेस। Let's talk to Dr. Kapil Panda, who is the director of PML SG Business School.
Hello everyone, welcome to this beautiful campus, PML SD Business School. And we started our journey of business school in 2019. First batch was enrolled in 2020, and carrying on the legacy of SD College, which started in 1973. The purpose and the vision of this institute to provide a good quality education in management field to the people in Tri-City and in and around. But then with passage of time, we have enhanced our vision and we want to become a global business school. In this regard, we have recently taken a membership of AACSB, which is an internationally recognized accreditation, and rest of the B schools across the country are having a CSBI membership. We are trying to bridge the gap between academia and corporate. There are a lot many people from corporate come and teach a full course over here, right? For example, last year Ms. Divya Murpriya took brand management, which is uh, she is an authority in brand management, a product from Mica, and worked on brands like Puma, right? Similarly, we have signed an MOU with SAP, right? For with, this is a tripartite agreement with SAP, Victoria University, and PMLSD Business School to give the quality education in terms of IT and ERP. Uh, Apart from this, we have collaborated with many foreign universities, including Laurentian University, Monash University. Uh, our focus is basically on making students day one ready for the job, right? Nowadays, industries and the companies do not have so much of bandwidth to keep employee on training for 3 months after joining. So we try to make students day one ready for the job. That is our focus. Our long-term vision is to be in top 50 management institute in the country, and apart from the accreditations like AACSB, AMBA, and IQUIS, we have already started the process of NBA, and hopefully by this year end we'll have a visit, and we expect that good results will come out of it. Our aim is to provide the students best of the education, and therefore we have also collaborated with IIM Nagpur, and they are having a case research center with Ivy League, and among chosen few colleges we are one of those. So we are very mindful of creating leaders for tomorrow, business leaders for tomorrow, I must say, and that's why our entire focus is on not only on making skilled workforce for the corporates, but also create thought leaders. And if you see the balance of the curriculum, it is such that some courses are devoted on skill development, others are devoted on developing thought leaders. So this is in nutshell what we are doing. We are very proud to call ourselves as student-centric campus. Why I'll say student-centric? Because every activity, right from the planning to the execution of it, is done by students, right? So for us, students are the first, right? And we have a lot of clubs and committees, and all are run by students. In fact, even placement committee is run by students. Although there is a chairperson for placement, but then they themselves search out the companies, do it, right? And that's why our results are phenomenal, right? For last 2 years, all our internships are paid internships, right? So that shows our commitment towards creating job-ready students, right? And therefore, entire focus is on that.
तो ये है स्कूल की लाइब्रेरी, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. Let's talk to Dr. Agrim Verma. She is faculty member here, and she is chair admission and ranking.
Yeah, hi. See, success in management is not just about earning a degree, but it's more about building a career. And here at PMLSD Business School, Chandigarh, we are focusing a lot on building contemporary, industry-oriented PGDM professionals. In today's date, learning is evolving in such a manner that we can't make the students restrict themselves to the classroom alone. So there is a need that the students and also the mentors look beyond the classroom and prepare the students for the real world challenges. So here at our business school, there's a lot of emphasis on introducing and updating our curriculum regularly, which includes subjects like AI in business, marketing analytics, and many others, just to name a few. And along with that, we also focus a lot on the holistic development of the students, and we keep pushing them, we keep encouraging them to take up more and more live projects, internships, paid internships in fact, and then also so that they get a good hands-on experience of what the corporate sector is all about. And then there's a lot of focus on taking them through the real world premises, including even manufacturing premises. For example, we often conduct industrial visits, and we take them through the outlets and also the premises, so that they see those places and explore those places in real time. And then we also opt for the case study method of teaching pedagogy. There's a lot of focus on that because it is the case study approach which makes them think and builds their thinking ability. And in terms of making the students ready for the industry and the corporate sector, so we have got a dedicated placement support for them. And then we also keep organizing boot camps which specially address their placement related queries and make them job ready right in the beginning. So if one is looking for a business school which turns potential into performance, then PMLSD Business School is the place to be. And we focus a lot on making all our students especially ready and ready for the corporate sector, and also ready to face the world. Urge all the students and potential aspirants to choose a PGDM program which builds you not only for securing your first job, but rather on building a lifetime of leadership. That will be my suggestion and recommendation to all the young aspirants.
So how was your experience here? You can share something.
This college has been a place of growth for me. I've learned a few new things, made friends, learned how can like every step be a lesson in everyday's life. Not just inside the classroom, even outside the classroom. The teachers are quite helpful. They look forward to help you cover your weaknesses and focus on your strengths. The 2 month summer internship that I had was a wonderful corporate experience for me. I learned how to put the practical theoretical knowledge into practical ways, and after coming back in my second year, I'm looking forward to learn new things.
So you can tell your experience, that how was your experience here?
The experience was very good actually. I'm in second year right now, and I personally studied from SD only, the main SD college. The experience was very well. Even I just completed my internship here अभी पीछे जैसे गेट नौकरी के नाम से यहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप मेरी लगी थी. वहाँ का भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, बहुत अच्छा वर्क कल्चर था. स्पेशली मैं कहूँगा कि बहुत सी जैसे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की अगर हम बात करें, काफ़ी ना वर्क प्रेशर होता है. आई थिंक यहाँ पे अगर मैं कंपैरिजन करूँ तो इतना नहीं है. थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज से ज़्यादा हमको इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक चीज़ें भी करवाई गई. जैसे कि एक पिडिलाइट है जो फेविकोल बनाता है, हम वहाँ पे गए, इंडस्ट्रियल विज़िट किया. ग्रेजिटी में गए थे, वहाँ पे जो पंचकुला में, वहाँ पे हमारी इंडस्ट्रियल विज़िट हुई थी. इट वाज फन, वेरी मच फन. टीचर्स आर वेरी फ्रेंडली हियर, एंड इवन जो हमारे सीनियर्स थे उनका भी हमारे साथ जितना भी वर्क एनवायरनमेंट और सब कुछ था वो बहुत अच्छा था. एंड आई वुड रिकमेंड हियर टू एवरीवन.
ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਪੁੱਛਾਂਗੇ, ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ?
ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੀ PML 'ਚ. ਇੱਥੇ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ, ਮਤਲਬ ਈਜ਼ੀਲੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਪਰੋਚ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਨੂੰ. ਇਹ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬੜਾ ਪਲੱਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ. ਅਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਵੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ.
SD ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ, ਬਟ ਅਸੀਂ SD ਦੇ ਕਰਾਊਡ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਫਾਈਨਡ ਕਰਾਊਡ 'ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਭਾਈ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਹੈ. ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਲੱਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਲੱਗਦਾ.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਈਅਰ 'ਚ ਹੋ?
ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਈਅਰ 'ਚ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ, ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੈਚਲਰਸ ਹੈ BBA, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਕੱਠਿਆਂ ਹੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗੀ MIT ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਤੋਂ, ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੀ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ. ਅਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੋਸਤ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ PML 'ਚ ਹੀ ਐਡਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ. ਤਾਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਅਜੇ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ.
थैंक यू एवरीवन. ये था PML SD बिजनेस स्कूल का कैंपस टूर.